So friends, it's almost 10:30 and I'm all very tired. Had a great day. Did a trek of this whole resort for like 2 kilometers. Then went to Corbett waterfall, which was unfortunately closed due to rain, and it will get reopened on 14th probably. That's what they said. Rest almost good. We are almost done with this place. We'll leave tomorrow morning around 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. See the condition of my room. That's my laptop and the bed, the friend, all messed up. Had my dinner. Oof, it was great. The food is really great here. Take some deep sleep today and we'll leave more tomorrow morning. So far so good. Enjoyed a lot this. Once again, see you all. Good night. Sleep sweet. Bye bye. Tada.
That's it, friend.
Hello friends, it's day 3 finally and it's time to leave. Sad moment seeing this whole area, the resort. Have to leave. Anyways, it's 8:47 right now, 49, and we'll probably leave by 9:30. And today we'll visit to Nainital. We'll rent a bike over there and go to some places nearby. And the weather is quite good. Humidity is still there. There's drizzling also, but quite hot.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, place is good. I'll recommend few things about this place. First, don't carry Airtel. Second, Wi-Fi is very poor. Third, the management is okay, as in they most probably they deny for your things you want to do, and I believe they should be straightforward to the things which they are providing for free. So we'll leave now. I was talking about this place. The place is good. Food is absolutely great. The management is poor, very poor. And the
higher management is poor, the lower management is very good.
Yeah, very good. You should deal with the lower management only.
Yes, the staff.
The food, the staff at the restaurant or staff at the local poolside, etc. Anyways, this is good. I'll recommend you, if you come here, stay here only. This is Golden Tusk Resort, and this all costed me 14,400.
369.
369 for 2 nights, including 8 meals per head.
6 meals.
6 meals per head. That comes to 18 meals for 3 people. And that's all. The stay was good. Enjoyed a lot. Had a great time in pool. So far so good. We'll move to Nainital today. So see you all there. Look at this place now. हम लोग कैसे आए थे?
अरे नाम तो दिखा.
क्या कर चुके हैं इस जगह का? Swimming pool. It's drizzling. Wait a second. Had a great stay here. Enjoyed a lot. Food is amazing, delicious. The most I'm gonna miss is the food and nothing else. The restaurant. That's the restaurant. So just have a look. So that's all from this place. Everything is superb here. Just the network issues is really bad. Wi-Fi doesn't work here. Airtel does not have the towers. Bit disappointment with that. And one more thing, we are hoping heavy rainfall. So for the best. It's time to leave.
Fire makes my city look so bright.
टेबल तो कैसे पता?
बोल तो रहा है तो साथ में एक बार चेक करो ना क्योंकि ये नहीं चला और कॉल करता ही तो चला गया तो कर लेंगे नहीं देंगे.
आपका नाम? हाँ? Krishna. So it was Krishna, nice staying here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. So it's time to leave. We'll see you all at Nainital now. Let's go. एक सेकंड सुन, तुमको कुछ देना है बच्चों से भी. Finally left.
Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just
So guys, back in Haldwani now. It was too hectic day. I rode from Golden Tusk, Ramnagar to Nainital, and unfortunately we couldn't stay at Nainital due to heavy rainfall and traffic. So we came down to Haldwani. Too tired. We'll just take some rest and get back to you. You got to see this room. Nice, beautiful, decent enough to occupy 3 people.